happening, guys? Aaron Rajmani here from UAVISUALS, and the next couple of days we're staying in a really cool glamping site. It's called the Canopi and it's on Bintan Island. I'm going to give you a quick tour of our room. This is it. Big bell tent right here, number 63. Let me take you inside. Oh. Yes, she comes with the room. Just joking. Look at this. Woo! Bell tent, beautifully set up. Little couch here. You can watch TV. Safe in the bottom. Nice and safe. Got a little sleeping sign here so they don't disturb you if you're asleep or if you need to be cleaned. So the TV's alright, it's not too big, but it'll do the trick. You've got your little Android box here so you can watch all the movies in the world. You can stream it. Empty space in here. What else? Fridge in this section here. Complimentary water. Tea and coffee. And then this is your, I guess, what do you call it? Like a little dressing table setup thing going on here. There's no actual table, so I think this is where you put your laptop or do your little makeup stuff, whatever. Say hi. Comes with, oh yes, these are my favorite. Let's hope it's one size fits all. Yes, it is. Coat hangers. It's kind of cool. I like this little like vintage style lamp. Nice warm yellow. What else we got here? Toiletries up here. Usual dental kit, shaving cream, etc. That's all up here. Toilet roll, very important. Hair dryer, all the essentials. Air conditioning, which is a must. Your bedside table. Then if we go to the back, might be wondering where the toilet is. Here it is. A really cool little outdoor, indoor style bathroom. So you've got your sink in the middle, the dunny on the left, right here. So you're sitting on the can here, and right in front of you is this beautiful little vertical garden thing. One at nature, beautiful, nice and peaceful. Mirror, right here. Nice finish once again, the kind of black and copper look. Oh, and everyone gets these little wristbands as well, so it links up to your account and you just pay everything on the island using this. Beep. Sweet. So that's the tour!